Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing like a little PR unboxing. I haven't done one of these on my channel in quite a while, so I thought I would do one for you guys today. I have gotten some new products in the mail that I wanted to share with you guys. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I'm doing a huge giveaway right now that's going to be ending soon, so make sure you guys go and enter that. I'll have it linked in my description box below, and then I'll have the video up here in the cards. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are all of the packages that I've gotten like in the past week or so. So the first one, I cannot find the box that it came in, so I'm just going to show you guys the product. The first package that I have here is from Fourth Ray Beauty. So this is a new version of their face milk. They have a bunch of different versions of this. This is their papaya face milk. It says it's a revitalizing moisture booster. It says that it has papaya enzymes, papaya oil, and water lily milk, and also white tea. So I really do like their skincare products, so I'm excited to try that out. And then they also sent over this exfoliating enzyme mask. I love a good exfoliator and a good mask. It says that it exfoliates, refines, and smooths the skin. This also has papaya enzymes in it, glycolic acid, which I love. That's an AHA. And then it also has lactic acid, which is another AHA. And then it has cranberry seed polish. I'm actually really excited about this one. So yeah, I can't wait to use both of these. Thank you so much to Fourth Ray Beauty for sending these over. Since we're already talking about skincare, I did get a skincare package here from Global Beauty Care. This is from their So Fresh, So Clean brand. I thought this little set was so cute, and I have tried some of their products before that I have really liked. So in this little set, we have their Milky Cleanser that says it has almond milk and cherry. And then we also have their Calming Serum, which has hemp milk and chamomile in it. And then we also have their Soothing Salve for lips and face. Ooh, this sounds really good. This has coconut milk and honey. So yeah, I'm really excited about this little set they sent over. So a big thank you to them. All right, next up I have two packages here from Benefit Cosmetics. I am so thankful to get packages from them. They always have such amazing products that they send out. All right, so there is this little insert that says Gimme Minis. So I'm assuming this whole package has little mini size products in it. Yep, so here we have a bunch of little minis. These are like some of my favorites in here. We have their Badgal Bang Mascara, which I love. We also have their mini version of the Roller Lash Mascara. That is the mascara I'm wearing right now. I think this is probably one of my all-time favorite mascaras. Then they also sent over their Real Mascara. We do have two primers in here. We have both of the Porefessional Primer, so the original one, then also we have the Pearl Primer, which is like an illuminating primer. I haven't actually tried the illuminating one, so I'm excited that I got this. I don't think I have it in the full size, so I definitely will be trying that out. Then I also got some little brow products in here. We have their Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which I love, and then we also have their Bravo Conditioning Primer. I don't think I've actually tried this, but I might have the full size. Maybe I don't. I actually might not have the full size of this, so I'm really excited that I got the mini version. And then I did get three little mini cheek products. I got their Hoola Bronzer, which I love so much. I have quite a few of these already. And then I also got their Dandelion Blush, which I also love so much as well. And then I also got Gold Rush here, which is another blush. Ooh, these do come with little mini brushes, which are so cute. Here's what Gold Rush looks like. This one is a really pretty, like, shimmery blush. Then I also got this package here from Benefit. This is for their brow search that they're doing. So I'm sure this has a bunch of brow products in it. Let's see. So I did get sent a bunch of their brow products. I am seriously obsessed with Benefit's brow products. So they did send over their brush right here. This has an angled side and then a spoolie. I already own this and I love it so much. It's such a good brow brush. Then I also got their Foolproof Brow Powder. All of mine are in the shade 3, I believe. I also got another one of their Benefit Brow. This is like a brow pomade. I have mine sitting right here. This is like my favorite brow pomade. So I'm glad that I have a backup of it now. Then I also got their 24-hour brow setter. I love this. It's such a good brow gel. We also have their GimMe Brow, which I love. This is also in the shade 3. I really like to use this over like their Ka-Brow brow gel. And we also have the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Their Precisely My Brow Pencil. And then lastly, we have their Highbrow Pencil. So I have so many brow products now. A huge thank you to Benefit for sending both of these packages over. The next package I have to show you guys is super fun. This is my first PR package here. I believe you say this brand, the Creme Shop. How cute is this little box that it came in? It's like a little heart. I have not opened this up yet. I just took it out of like the big box that it came in. All right, so we have a little card here. So there is quite a few things in here. I'm gonna just go through them one by one. So first up we have their Rose Water Mask. This is a sheet mask. I have used a few of their sheet masks in the past. They have like really fun sheet masks. I've used like their animal versions and I really liked those. Then we also have their Witch Hazel Infused Mask. Oh, I have actually used this one. This is one of the animal ones that I have used before. This is their Glow Up Skin Unicorn Mask. This is such a cute mask. We have another unicorn one here. This is their Clear Up Skin Mask. And they also have these little stickers that are in the box. These are super cute. So the next thing actually looks like makeup. I didn't know that they had makeup. I thought they just had skincare. This is their The Brightest Crayon in the Box Glow Stick. This is in the shade Intergalactic, and it's a really pretty like shimmery purple. This is just like a cream highlighter in a stick form. Oh, this looks nice. This is their Watermelon Jelly Mist Priming and Setting Spray. I'm going to open this up. I love a good setting spray. Wow, the bottle is actually really heavy. It feels really nice. I'm going to go ahead and just spray some of this on my face. Okay, so I've been trying to spray this for like quite a few minutes now, and my hand's getting tired and it's not coming out, and I don't know why. I don't know why it's not coming out. I'm gonna mess with that later because I don't have time to keep trying to spray this, but it says use this spray as a toner after cleansing to set makeup or throughout the day to keep the skin dewy and glowing. Hopefully I can get the little sprayer to work because I really want to try that out. Ooh, next up we have this right here. This is their Cushion Blush. I don't see a shade name, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. So there is like a little sponge in here. This actually feels like a really nice sponge. And then you just open it up and the blush is here. So that looks like a really bright shade. I'm gonna like use the sponge and maybe put a little bit on my hand. Maybe it doesn't actually come off that bright. So I guess if you blended this out, it would just be like a really pretty like natural looking peach color. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this out. I need to do another video where I try out a bunch of new makeup products. Let me know if you guys like to see videos like that. All right, so we have two more products in here. Next up, we have their Double Cleanse 2-in-1 Facial Foam Daily Cleanser and Makeup Remover. So this says it has green tea, white lily, and rice water in it. Ooh, this is a brightening formula. I'm really excited about all of their products because they are like a Korean brand, and Korean skincare is really good. It says that this removes makeup in addition to daily buildup. Antioxidant-rich green tea delivers vitamins to improve the skin texture, while the mild ingredients found in rice water and white lily gently cleanse to help fade discolorations, gentle enough for all skin types. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out very soon. And then the last thing that came in this box is this lip product. This is their Kiss It Better Tinted Lip Balm. So here's what it looks like. This is in the shade You Okay, which looks right up my alley. It looks like a nice like warm mauve shade. I love the packaging of this. How do you open this? All right, so after like 10 minutes, my husband finally got this open and it's like completely broken, but the color is really pretty. I'm gonna try and swatch it, but I feel like it's gonna break. So here's what it looks like. This will be a really pretty color. Hopefully I'm able to use this. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's like pretty broken. All right, so a huge thank you to the Cream Shop. I hope I'm saying that correctly. If you guys know how to say that correctly, let me know in the comments down below. But a huge thank you to you guys for sending over this amazing package. I cannot wait to try everything out. So I have one more package to show you guys. You guys have kind of already seen this if you saw my last video, but I did want to show you guys again because I think it's a really amazing launch. So I got sent over this package here from Laura Mercier. They just came out with some brand new primers. I have been using them, so I did want to show you guys these. So these are their Pure Canvas primers. These are all silicone free. I've used 2 of them so far. So we're gonna start out with the first one that's in here. Hopefully I can get this out. Oh my gosh. All right, so first up we have this little dropper bottle here. This is their Pure Canvas Power Primer Supercharged Essence. I am really excited to try this out. I haven't really seen anybody really talking about these primers. I'm really interested in trying this one specifically out. Next up we have their Pure Canvas Primer. This is the illuminating version. I have not even like looked at this one, but I'm gonna put it a little bit on my wrist just to see what it looks like. So here it is right here. It's kind of like a light gold. Ooh, so that looks really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see on camera. I feel like this will make the skin look nice and glowy. Next up we have the Perfecting Primer, which is what I'm wearing on my skin right now. Then we have their Hydrating Primer, which I know that I'm going to love. I feel like this one's gonna be really good for every day. Then we also have their Blurring Primer, which I did use in my last video, and I'm like obsessed. This seriously makes your skin so smooth. I think that this primer probably has made my skin like the most smooth out of any primer that I've ever tried. And then the last primer is their Protecting Broad Spectrum Primer, which actually this is probably the best one for every day. day. Since it does have SPF in it, this is an SPF of 30, which I think is really nice. It says that it helps prevent sunburn. I really need to get into like using sunscreen every day because you never really think about it that the sun can get you even through like windows, even if you're like not outside. So I definitely need to start using this. I've been looking for a good like sunscreen that's not gonna like break me out. If you guys know of one, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know if SPF 30 is enough for every day, if you guys know about that. I feel like you do have to use probably more than that, but I'm not sure. I need to look into this. So a huge thank you to Laura Mercier for sending over these primers. I'm so excited about them. This is a really exciting launch. They do sell these at Sephora. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll have everything linked in my description box below. So those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten recently. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys go check out that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. It'll also be linked in my description box below. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.